Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your primary Google account and enabling Calendar. This ensures events attach to the right profile. Once done, create one default calendar for work and one for personal use so you avoid overlap. Make sure to set your time zone and working hours now. They affect reminders and suggested times. Install the mobile app and grant permissions so notifications sync. This gets you from zero to actionable. You can immediately create events that appear on all devices and respect your schedule. You now focus on workflow. Start using event templates and set default durations to save clicks. Color code calendars so you scan availability faster. Once templates exist, make sure to add conferencing links and set reminders, email and mobile, so no one misses start times. Add guests and assign roles in descriptions for clarity. Use recurring events and the goals feature for habits. Integrate Calendar with Gmail and Docs so invitations auto-populate. These steps automate routine scheduling and reduce. To finish, verify sync across all devices and any third-party apps. If events don't show, force a refresh or resync. Once done, perform a weekly audit. Delete outdated events, merge duplicates, and confirm every calendar uses the correct time zone so meetings don't shift. If things go wrong, clear the app cache, reauthorize your Google account, and check calendar visibility and permission settings. That fixes most issues. Make sure to test a quick invite after changes so you know everything is resolving correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.